If you want to, you can sit on the floor.
Oh, that's how you got me way up.
Sit on the floor, I'm about to drop it. Sit on the floor. Okay. Just stir it up, don't. Just stir it up.
Oh my god. Woo! This time I'm gonna put it on the camera, Shawn.
Hey guys, it's Shawnie, how are you doing? So today we'll be doing this slime bucket sets challenge, and this will be like a donation for the action for the children. You guys go ahead, and I'm gonna have the link in the description so you guys can click on it, and if you want to donate for a good cause, you can do it. You guys ready to put the slime on it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Go ahead. Pray church.
Tell you.
And the slime is on Shawn. And part of the
Isabella!
Come here, Isabella. Alright, thanks guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, go and give it a like. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you guys later. Go ahead and click on the link and go ahead and donate to it's a good cause for the children by helping them out, you know, with problems and stuff that we having. So go and click on the link and go check it out. And if you guys want to give a donation, you can do that. And if you guys gonna do this slime, send me pictures and stuff, you know, through Facebook or whatever. I'll see you guys later. Go get ready.
Bye, bye.
Come here, Paisley.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye, YouTube.